Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, I will convey the results of an interview that I have conducted together with my college, with the resource person Ms. Fajriani SSMA, who is a lecturer of Introduction to Literature at the University of Sulawesi Barat. Related to the topic, the role of literature in language education. In this interview, we ask 7 questions. For the first question is, the role of literature in communicative competence. According to Ms. Fajriani, literature plays an important role in developing student communicative competence. Through stories, poems, and dramas, students are introduced to authentic language including idioms, cultural reference, and various registers. Literature allows them to engage with meaningful context, so they can learn to interpret, respond, and express themselves better. Moreover, literature also helps students understand how meaning is constructed in discourse, thus improving their discourse competence. The second question is literary text selection criteria. When selecting literary text, search consider 3 main things. First is the linguistic level, second cultural accessibility, and third them relevant. The text should be appropriate for the student language ability. So that is it. It is not too difficult, but also not too simple. Then she choose texts that are relevant to the student cultural background or that can introduce new cultures in a fun and respectful way. Then should also be appropriate, thought-provoking, and allegiant with language learning objective. For example, to enrich vocabulary or practice narrative structure. The third question is example of using literary text in the classroom. One of the real-life examples shared was when she used George Orwell's short story, Shooting an Elephant. In a high school class, the story deals with the times of colonialism, moral dilemmas, and personal choice, which strongly encourages critical discussion. Linguistically, students learn to analyze narrative point of view and rhetorical style. As a follow-up assignment, they were asked to read a journal entry from the main character's point of view. This helped hone critical thinking skill, past tense, and narrative description. The fourth question is literature-based assessment. So, how does literature fit into the language assessment system? Ms. Fajriani explained the assessment can be done through performative tests such as analysis essays, character diaries, or group discussion. With this approach, students demonstrate their ability to interpret, compress, and evaluate character or themes. The assessment can use a rubric that includes evidence from the text, clear interpretation, and language accuracy. The fifth question is responding to criticism of literature. Regarding to the view that literature is considered obsolete in the communicative language teaching approach, the speaker emphasizes that literature is still very relevant. Why? Because literature presents really human experience, emotions, value, and culture, which are at the core of meaningful communication. In addition, literature helps train the four language skill in an integrated way: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. The sixth question is literature, empathy, and intercultural awareness. A study by Paran in 2021 mentioned that literature can foster empathy and intercultural awareness. This in line with the interview experience. When students read novels like The Kite Runner or other multicultural source stories, they learn to understand perspective different from their own. Class discussion often led to deep reflection on how culture shapes behavior and language. Literature, in this case, plays a role in building student global and emotional competence. The last question is student respond to poetry and drama. Finally, how do students respond to poetry and drama? According to the interviewers, uh, most most students welcome the enthusiastically, especially if the texts are relevant and open up space for self-expression. Poetry encourages creativity, thought, rhythm, and imagery, while drama makes language come alive through role and performances. Although some were initially shy or afraid, with the right guidance, even shy students could eventually perform confidently. Okay, from this interview, we learned that literature is not just reading material, but also a powerful tool in language learning. Thank you for listening to the presentation. I hope what I have said can inspire you to make literature an important part of the language classroom. See you soon and have your day.